Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of coming across my YouTube video, please guys kindly hit the subscribe button below. Whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will be the first to be notified. As you can see guys, I'm putting on a ponytail on this video guys, and I'm going to be applying this at the end of it all. Check me out guys, can you see that? So we are going to be giving our ponytail some coils guys, some coils. I'm going to be giving this ponytail some bubbles, guys, factor. So I will be doing the ponytail on one of my video these days because it's the summertime, so we have to look very simple. So guys, if you are giving your head some coils, try to apply this most lacquer to it, so to make the coils stand firm. As you can see, you see the difference between the one I did not apply it on and the one I apply it on. It will just make the coils to hold very well. Guys, if you are tonguing your hair, try to make it to be smooth. Comb it out. Guys, while using this tonguing, try to be very careful with it. If not, you can easily burn your hand because you are doing it alone. So try to be very careful. So guys, I'm going to be setting my face with our nice first bars. So guys, we are going to be drawing our eyebrow. Guys, if you are drawing your eyebrow, try to use a light pencil, eye pencil. I believe by this time there is no black eye pencil on board anymore, so I'm going to be topping it up. I see that it's a little bit lighter than what I expect, so I'm going to be filling it in with a dark brown eye pencil. So guys, I'm using our Ima at the top section to clean out and put it in a appropriate shape, guys. So guys, I'm going to be using the lighter concealer in. Guys, I'm so sorry in case you are hearing some noise. They are working in the apartment where I live in, so they have been working for some days now. There was a video I did some days back. The noise was really much, so I have to drop the video down on my YouTube channel. So guys, at times I too like to seal the places where I apply my concealer with a setting powder. I've tried it and it is really good. It will just create that beautiful place for you to apply your eyeshadow. You just seal it in a little with your loose setting powder. So guys, I'm going to be using this as our transition. I'm going to be adding a black color to it as well. I'm using this highlighter. I bought it from Kiko.
That's good.
As you can see, it is really a bomb. I'm going to use my hand to apply this particular place. As you can see, our lipstick now, you can see the color. Wow guys, wow, can you see me? I am feeling myself. So our hair, we are going to be setting the face right away with our Kiko. So as you can see, I already applied the front franger to it. I bought this franger on ALIEXSSP, but the thing that was there, it was really light, it's not full, so I have to apply much air to it to really make it full to the way I want it. So guys, you can see the hairstyle is really nice. Let me take some powder to just add a little hair on my face. So guys, you can see our hairstyle. It's been long I did a ponytail hairstyle. I can't even remember since I've been in Europe. I've never did any ponytail hairstyle. It used to be my favorite hairstyle then in Nigeria. Immediately I retouch my hair. My first hairstyle that I have to do is ponytail. Then we call it packing gel, not ponytail. We used to call it packing gel. So guys, you can see the look is very, very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God. Can you see that earring, guys? I bought it too from AliExpress. Will I be going with the two, or I'm going to use one? I think I'll be using one. Guys. Not two. Let me drop one in. Use another earring there. That is really fun. So guys, you can see our look. Wow, I'm really feeling myself. Let's go to party. It's party things. Yeah, let's go to party. Yes. Yes.